Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Niko Haji Nugroho dan saya ingin memberikan opini tentang Bapak Prabowo dalam bahasa Inggris. Prabowo Subianto, born on October 17, 1951 in Jakarta, has a notable military background that shapes his leadership style. After experiencing discrimination abroad, he joined the Indonesian Army Force, or we call AKABRI, from 1970 until 1974, and later held key positions, including leading the Strategic Reserve Command, or Kostrad, in 1998. However, his career faced challenges, including allegations of human rights violation, which led to restriction on his entry to the US. In 2008, Prabowo founded the Gerindra Party, enduring 3 unsuccessful presidential bids before becoming Minister of Defense under Joko Widodo. Now, as president, his leadership drew from his military and political experience. Prabowo prioritized strengthening Indonesia's defense capabilities, emphasizing a robust military to secure the nation's vast archipelago and promote regional leadership in Southeast Asia. And then, economic development and nationalism. His administration focused on boosting local industry, particularly agriculture and natural resources, to achieve economic self-sufficiency. Balancing nationalism with foreign investment is a challenge, as Indonesia seeks to attract global partners like China and the US while maintaining autonomy. Prabowo aimed to expand Indonesian influence within ASEAN and strengthen ties with global powers, navigating a diplomatic balance that promotes both security and economic growth. Dan itu opini saya tentang Prabowo. Sekian, terima kasih.
Hello guys, and my name Niko Haji Nugroho. I'm from UBC Kalimalang, and I want to tell you about simple present. Simple present definition. The simple present tense is a verb tense in English that's used to describe habits, unchanging situation, general traits, and fixed arrangement. It's also sometimes called the present indefinite tense. How to use simple present? Simple present is used in several conditions, like a habit or routine to express activities that are done regularly or repeatedly. General fact or truth. The begin with the fact or truth that always apply. Fixed condition to do not denote a condition or situation that does not change. Instruction or direction is used to give instruction or direction. Example how to use simple present. Expressing habit or activity, like I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. And general fact or truth, the earth orbits the sun. And fixed condition, I live in Bekasi. And instruction or direction, you walk for 200 meters, then you turn left. Okay, next, how to form the simple present. In the simple present, most regular verbs use the root form, as, except in the third person singular, which end in s. For a few verbs, the third person singular ends with s instead of s. Typically, these are verbs whose root form ends in o, ch, sh, t, s, g, or z. Example for person. First person singular, I write. Second person singular, you write. And third person singular, he, she, it writes, not the s. First person plural, we write. Second person plural, you write. Third person plural, they write. Example for verb. First person singular, I go. Second person singular, you go. Third person singular, he, she, it goes. Not the s. First person plural, we go. Second person plural, you go. Third person plural, they go. Example for to be irregular. First, first person singular, I am. Second person singular, you are. Third person singular, he, she, it is. First person plural, we are. Second person plural, you are. Third person plural, they are. And then next, make the simple present verb positive. To make a sentence in the simple present positive, we need to use the auxiliary verb do or does for third person singular. Here's how to form the positive subject, like a subject plus verb first form plus she or is plus object. For example, I play baseball, she eats a pizza, we drink water. In the simple present tense, the verb is usually the same as the base form of the verb or the infinitive. For example, call. However, when using the third person singular, he, she, and it, you add s to the end of the verb. For example, I run, she runs. Make the simple present verb negative. Make a simple present sentence negative. You need to add do not or don't or does not or doesn't before the base verb. Subject plus do or does plus not plus base verb. Key rules: I, you, we, they are used do not or don't. She, he, it used does not or doesn't. Example of negative sentence in the simple present tense. You don't talk, he, she, it doesn't talk. We don't talk and they don't talk. If there is no auxiliary verb, you can usually add do unless the main verb is be to make the verb to be negative. You can add not after in conjuncted form. For example, the meal is not expensive. And then the verb to be positive in simple present. To verb to be in the simple present tense is used to describe situations that are temporary or unchanging. The form of the verb depends on the subject. First, person singular. Use am, for example, I am. And then second, third person singular. Use is, for example, he is, she is, and it is. And all other subject use are, for example, you are, we are, they are. Example of be in the simple present tense, I'm tired. Laura is a doctor. I garden on Tuesday. Bear hibernate in the winter and she speak French and German. The verb to be negative in simple present. In the simple present tense, the verb to be is used to describe states, condition, or facts, and it can be used in both positive and negative form. To make the verb to be negative in the simple present tense, you simply add not after the verb. Example like I am not, or I am not, and he, she, it is, he, she, it is not, he isn't. You, we, they are, you, we, they are not, they aren't. Subject plus form of to be. Am is are plus not plus complement. Example like I'm not tired. He isn't happy with the decision. And we aren't going to the beach today. And the next, question word. Question word in the simple present are used to ask for future information about a particular subject or situation. These question words are often used with do or does to form question in the simple present. How to use question word? To ask a question in the simple present tense, you can use do or does with a question word like what, when, or where. What does he do? What does Rita usually get up? And where do Angela and Rita live? Tips for asking question in the simple present. Then use example like use does for the third person singular, she, he, it, and do for the if you, we, they. Question with who often don't use do or does. To create a question, start with the question word, then add do or does, then the subject, then the base form the verb, and finally the rest of the sentence. Example question word in the simple present. Example of question in the simple present tense. Do or does question, do you play the piano? Or does Jack play football? And then when? And then where WH question. Where do you work? And or what does he do? What does he do? Question with to be. Are you well? Or where are the kids? We are the kids. And then next, question word in negative. In the negative simple present tense, question are used with question word like who, what, where, when, why, and how to inquire about things, action, or situation. But with a negative form, to form negative question in the simple present, we use the auxiliary verb do not, don't, or does not, doesn't, depending on the subject. Key point of question word negative. To form a negative question in the simple present tense, we can use the auxiliary verb do along with and, or doesn't. For I, you, we, and they, question word plus don't plus subject plus verb. For he, she, and it, third person singular, question word plus doesn't plus subject plus verb. Don't is used with I, you, we, and they. Doesn't is used with he, she, and it. The base form of the verb follows do or does, no as at the end of the verb. 5W plus 1H atau 5W1H of question word. What you might ask something. Where to ask about location or place where something does not happen. When asking about specific time. Why in the negative form to ask about reason. How is used to inquire about the why something is done of is done or the process of doing something. Example question word negative. What don't you like to do in your free time? Where don't they go on weekend? When don't you usually wake up? When will you give my book back? When don't you like this movie? Who doesn't want to join the team? How don't you solve this problem? Terima kasih. Sekian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.